So, my friend Yvonne here. What are we doing?
We are making shrimp and grits with a side of salmon bites.
That's right, we are. Because the mister is not a fan of shrimp, but he cannot be left out. So, we're gonna treat him nice with some salmon bites. So don't put that on yet because we need to cut that salmon into like 1.5-inch cubes. So Yvonne, you say that you can cook. Like, why am I over here showing you how to cook? Because you're a grown ass woman.
Because you can always learn.
Okay, true.
So yes, that's what we do.
I mean, with a family and everything. Her daughter already said, yes, my mom can cook. But I guess she wanted maybe some new things. If you know me, you know that one of my all-time favorite things to do is cook. Honestly, I really enjoy it, especially, a situation like this. Like, just having to schlep every day and cook for your family, maybe not quite as fun. But when you can cook with a good friend who's a client and also your surrogate wife, because every good woman needs a wife, and you can have coffee and drink wine and talk gossip and play music and all that stuff. That's not the same as cooking. This is just fun stuff. And especially seeing what they have done to their house since we bought it last year. So we are putting in our salmon for our salmon bites in your fancy white air fryer in your fancy white kitchen. Are you seriously lining them up?
I am.
You see how your brain works?
All have even cooking.
All right, so they were cut in cubes, and they were seasoned with some Lorry, some garlic powder, and a little pepper, and then tossed in a little reduction of brown sugar and soy. Okay, so we can probably cook that at we want to like flash cook it.
Okay.
So maybe put it about 390.
Okay. And for how long?
I would say 8 minutes.
Okay.
And then we'll check it because we'll probably need to shake it up a little bit and do it again. And you were smart to spray the thing so it doesn't stick. We're dipping some of that water out just so it doesn't overflow. Should get all the lumps out. The water's already salted. So I noticed that you put butter into the rice while it was cooking. Don't do that with grits.
Okay.
Yep, because we don't want the fat in the butter to coat the grits before they puff up and cook well.